Hey boys and girls, we are here for session 5 in our math lesson this week. Session 5, you're going to need your workbook, a pencil, and some crayons today. Let's get started. Ooh, I have a story to tell you. I have 3 cats at my house. I have 3 cats. 5 more cats came to visit. Use your fingers and solve. How many cats are at my house now? I had 3. 5 more came to visit. How many do I have now? Let's solve that problem. I have 3. 5 more came together. I'm going to put them together and count. Help me count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cats at my house. Is that how many cats you got? Nice job. Now you're going to need your workbook pages out. So we should be on page 423. Find that page 423. You're also going to need something to count with today. So you're going to need some pennies, some Legos, anything you can find. You need 9 of them. Can you find 9 of something? All right, boys and girls, let's get started. So we need to find 5 different ways to make the number 9. 5 different ways. I want you to pause this video and see if you can find 5 different ways and write them down. All right, are you guys ready? Let's see if you found the same ways I found. So I'm going to start with 0. If I have 0, how many more do I need to get 9? You are correct. 0 plus 9 equals 9, or we say 9 equals 0 plus 9. Now, could I switch these numbers around and say 9 equals 9 plus 0? I could. That would be the same problem. Ooh, let's see. What if I had 1? How many more do I need to get 9? If I already have 1, how many more do I need? Ooh, you're right. I would need 8. Nice job. All right, boys and girls, what if I have 2? How many more would I need to get 9? Ooh, you got it. I would need 7 more. Now remember, could I actually have 9 equals 7 plus 2 instead of 2 plus 7? I could, because that is the same problem. All right, what if I already have 3? How many more would I need to get 9 if I already have 3? Ooh, you knew it. I would need 6. Nice work. Ooh, what if I already have 4? How many more would I need to get 9 if I already have 4? Ooh, I would need 5. Nice job, boys and girls. So we found 5 different ways to make the number 9. Remember, we can switch these numbers around and we still have the same problem. Let's go to our next page. So now you want to find page 424. You're going to actually need your crayons out today, so make sure you have your crayons, red and yellow. All right. What's that number up here by our dog? It's 8. Nice job. So you need to show me a way to make 8. So put some red, some yellow. Make sure you only put 8. All right. So Miss Martin is going to put, I think I'm going to put 3 reds. So there's 3. So I'm going to keep counting. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's write my number sentence. 8 equals, how many reds did I have? 3. Plus how many yellows? 5. Now your problem doesn't have to be exactly like mine. You could have 1 plus 7 or 7 plus 1. You could have 2 plus 6 or 4 plus 4. There's lots of different ways to make that number 8. All right, boys and girls. Now how many are we making? Ooh, you're right, 10. Pause and use your red and yellow to make 10 and write your number sentence. Ooh, Miss Martin's going to make 10 by doing 5 reds. If I have 5 reds, how many yellows will I need? You're right, I would need 5 yellows. So my problem would be 10 equals 5 plus 5. Now, does your problem have to be exactly the same as mine? It doesn't, as long as you filled in that whole 10 frame. Nice work, boys and girls. I am so proud of how awesome you are doing at addition. Keep it up, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.